This is complete the pizza. They give it a nice crunch. Wow, take a look at the bottom. Outstanding. Welcome to the best pizza channel. First of all, thank you so much for being here with me today. And welcome guys from my studio Copelli. How are you today? Haha, you thought that I was too much calm. And welcome back to my channel, Francesco, my co-worker in this adventure of yes, we are making everything professional like crazy. I don't know if you can see the beauty of the studio. Wow, the unboxing and review. Today we are here to review this amazing Pizza Party Ardore, and also this oven. We got also the peels that the same company got. We got the peel to put it in and the peel to put it out. Name it Essenza. Bene, leggeri, tranquilli.
Sì.
Per cucinare.
Questo è più piccolo per fare pure, vedi? Oh, tiri via.
Fantastico.
Piccolo
Wow.
piccolo.
Beautiful,
Yeah.
beautiful. So today we are going to talk about this amazing Pizza Party Ardore oven. We are going to make a special pizza margherita, and of course we are going to see also the focaccia barese, how we'll cook this oven. This is my first time cooking in this oven, and I decided to show you how this beast will work. Let's start. Big different from the top. This is you cannot touch it because it gets too hot, first of all, and then second of all, inside here and under is all isolated with a special foam inside, which is keeps the heat inside the oven. So I can tell already that is very well made. It's made in Italy, of course, in Florence, like you can see here. It comes with the two stone on the bottom, about 3 centimeters high, and then also is different the material of the stone. This is also made in Italy by hands, and so nothing. I think we are ready to make the pizza. What do you think?
Yeah.
Oh, also I didn't say the oven is only gas option with the 2 speed. This is high speed and low speed. So we put it at the high speed for about 40 minutes, and then basically it got already hot from the bottom. So now we are ready to get in the oven and see how this pizza will cook. Che pizza facciamo? Una bella margherita prima della bella focaccia?
Sicuro, certo.
Amici, oggi ovviamente sorry, I didn't speak in Italian. Oggi benvenuti in italiano proprio, sto proprio fregato.
Quando fai così.
Spiega un attimino ai nostri amici che cosa stiamo facendo.
Stiamo
qua, perché
recensendo.
Tradurre in inglese in italiano mi trovo un po' difficile.
Dobbiamo recensire questo forno, questo Pizza Party, che è fatto a Firenze, e praticamente si chiama Ardore. Abbiamo un ottimo isolamento termico sia nella parte superiore che nella parte inferiore. Abbiamo l'unica opzione di avere il focaccia barese.
Una bella focaccia.
Che qua c'è roba da mangiare, lievitati da tutte le parti,
Facciamo
pure
vedere
dagli orecchi.
l'impasto.
Allora, abbiamo l'unica opzione è il bruciatore. Abbiamo 2 differenti intensità sulla fiamma, e adesso andremo a provare questo forno. Ha una doppia piastra ed è biscotto questo, giusto?
Sì, un biscotto.
Non è una pietra refrattaria, ma è un biscotto alto 3 cm. Quindi adesso andremo a provare questo forno e vediamo come esce la pizza. Hai visto che impasto?
The dough, of course, guys, for the dough, make sure you check out my channel for more.
Mamma.
So let's get into the pizza.
E cos'è sta cosa? È una nuvola.
Alto livello.
Ma hai sbagliato l'impasto.
Guys, let's make the pizza. This is how we stretch. Oh man, take a look of the crust. Outstanding. Make sure in my channel I have everything. How to stretch, how to make the dough. We are making a classic margherita pizza, Neapolitan pizza. Classic Neapolitan pizza. Una bella pizza napoletana, Francesco? Voilà.
Sempre, solo.
Let's put the tomato sauce. Wow. This is a buffalo mozzarella. Of course, I never suggest to put the buffalo mozzarella because it's too milky. But today we are making the pizza with buffalo mozzarella because I want to show you why not using the buffalo mozzarella. Little bit of olive oil, little bit of flour on top, and then you can do this because there's the holes on the peel, so you can slide it in. If it's not, you have to put the pizza on top, just like that. Voila. Now, let's fix it and let's go in the oven. Let's put it all the way inside. Wow. I noticed another thing. The door of the oven is nice and big, so we are able to see it. So now at this point you will lower down the flame at the slow speed, otherwise it's gonna cook too fast. Wow, take a look how it's pumping up. Wow. Check the bottom, it's cooking well, fantastic. Wow, guys, oh my god. This is cooking at the minimum speed. Let's turn it. Oh my god, wow. Wow, did you see the bottom? Cioè sotto sta cuocendo.
Bellissimo.
Fantastico, eh?
Benissimo. Mamma, ma questo forno è ottimo.
I'm very surprised. I'm very surprised how it's cooking. This is real time, eh? We're gonna give it a little cook more. Yeah, because it's compact. The isolation is on the top. That's what it does. Fantastic. Oh my god. This is the first time cooking the pizza. Boom. It's ready. Holy. All aboard!
No way.
Wow! Wow! My god! Stop! Cook really.
It's crazy. It's crazy.
Woo! Shh. Oh my god!
Ma è una bomba.
Non ci sono parole. I'm impressed. Let's finish it with a little bit of basilico. I'm gonna get the scissors. Wow. Vai, essenza. Un po' più di basilico.
Poi giù.
Un altro po'. Vai. Basil. Bam! Vai. Why you do that? Little bit of basil. Perché lei
Perché praticamente agitando la foglia del basilico, schiaffeggiandola, fuoriescono tutti i profumi del basilico.
The perfume, when you do this, boom, all the perfume from the basil comes out. So, are we ready? Are we ready? Tagliamo?
Sì.
Oh, wow, so we need to check out the bottom. Get the camera. Come here, get the camera. Oh my god, guys, you need to check out this. I didn't explain, so we need to check out because we are reviewing the oven, so we have to see the whole body of the pizza, how it will cook. So let's check out the bottom part of the pizza. And this is the bottom. Did you see it cook like a wood oven? Outstanding. This is complete. The pizza. It give it a nice crunch. Besides that the dough is good, of course the oven cook well. So let's see the bottom of the inside of the pizza now. Let's check out the inside. Oh my god. What's going on? Are we ready? Tuck. Let's get the scissor and palm. I don't even see it. Wow. Soft, empty, and crunchy in the same time. Take a look. Wow, the sponge. Take a look. Take a look, guys. Take a look of this amazing slice. Now, Francesco, of course, we're gonna make a... Sì, prendi questo, te. Cin cin.
Salute.
This is the best part. Yeah, I can tell you that this oven is approved. I give a 10 by 10, 10 on 10 for this oven review. And of course, we're not done yet. We're gonna make, Francesco is gonna show you a classic marinara, and we're gonna keep see the oven, but wait until the end because we are going to cook this amazing focaccia, and we're gonna see how we will cook, of course. So, Francesco, let's put this on the side. Perfect, nicely. Garlic and some fresh oregano. Everything. And let's go in the oven.
Non più vorrei questi bei panacchini, quel cappello leggero galante.
Vai, escila, è pronta. Wow! Fantastic! Take a look at this pizza. Listen to this. Wow! Wow! We are missing one more thing, the basil. Put the ciliegine sulla torta. Oh, you have it there. Aspetta, questa mi piace più. Vai, vai. Put it in there. Put it in there. Wow. Perfetto. Out. Standing. Little bit olive oil and voila. Wow. The pizza is perfect. Let me take a picture. Now it's time to make the focaccia. Of course, we're gonna make it complete. Take a look at this focaccia. Wow. Make sure I have a lot of videos on my channel. How to make the focaccia, the dough and everything is complete. So now we are going to see just to test the oven because I would love to see how this bomb here will cook the oven. Siamo pronti con i pomodori?
Tagliati a fette o scattato?
Scattato sopra la focaccia. So, focaccia authentic barese, it's just like that. Vai, dammi i pomodori, scattati sopra. We give a little cut and then we break it inside the focaccia. We're gonna make like oh man, guarda quanto
So fluffy.
we're gonna make a classic just tomato, not olives or something like that, really fancy. So we make just to see how this oven will cook the focaccia. Ciuc!
Ma tu sei sicuro che basta quel forno? Non è che tocca...
Ciuc! Guarda. Now a little bit of olive oil. Wow! Oh, man. Little bit of olive oil, press it a little bit, and then the final touch right here. Actually, it's not the final touch. Little bit of fresh oregano. Boom, 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 boom. Now, watch this, Francesco. And boom!
No, way.
We have some salt.
Smoked salt.
Smoked salt. Tuk. Wow, this is amazing from my friend Copy. Like you can see, it's spry salt. Outstanding to do these things. Cut a little bit. Let's put the. We're gonna wrap it up with aluminum foil because, of course, this oven doesn't have a door, so we have to create the lid. So make sure it's completely sealed. So now, pay attention. Lower down at the lowest temperature. Voila. And let's go and let's put the focaccia in the oven. This is my first time, so I guess I'm gonna put it right here, a little bit far from the inside. So we're gonna go ahead and keep it turning. So let's keep it there for about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna keep cooking. Okay, so now it's time to turn it, and we put it back in. I'm gonna put it all the way inside. So now it's time to take out the aluminum. Voila. It's nice, eh? Voila. Perfect. I can see that the bottom part is cooked, so we're gonna go ahead and finish to cook just like this for a couple of more minutes. And then until it's nice and brown and colorful, the dough, the focaccia is also ready. A little bit complicated to cook the focaccia, but we're getting there. And the focaccia is nicely done. Well, okay. I have to say that it was a little bit complicated because there's no door. So when there's no door, the focaccia or the bread, they don't come perfectly. But you know, if you have a special pan that is closed with the top, probably it's gonna come out better. So let's check it out the bottom too, because you can see that the top part, wow, oh my god. Well, I have to say the bottom part is perfectly, wow. Take a look at the bottom, outstanding, wow. Now let's cut it and let's see the inside of the focaccia. We saw that the top part is cooked too much, but the bottom part is perfectly. Now let's see the inside. Yep, it's cooked. It's nicely cooked. The problem is it was cooked too fast. Nicely sponge. Perfect. This was the review for Pizza Party Ardore. Of course, you'll find the link below and check them out because really good oven. So I'll see you at the next one. I'll see you at the next one. Every week, 2 videos. So now is your time to thumbs up and comment below, and of course subscribe and share. Ciao a tutti.